Welcome to 2 Minute Art Talks. I am Michael Carini, and today I want to talk to you about pricing your art because that's the question I get asked the most is how do I price my art? And I'm going to say that there's no right or wrong way to price your art. It comes down to what you determine your value is. But I will give you a few tips to help you get started. So one of the things that you can do, and that I do, is use a formula based on square footage. So for me, I use $300 per square foot as my basis, plus an estimated cost for creating and shipping. Now, I've been doing this for a long time, so you may want to go with a lower rate for somebody that's an intermediate or beginner level, depending on where you are on your journey. Now, the other things that you can consider are looking at the work of other artists out there. And this is so easy to do because of social media and the internet and artist websites these days. Look at artists with similar experience, similar style, similar work, similar target audience. See what they're doing. If you like their pricing, you can kind of use that as a model. You can go up, you can go down, you can change your pricing if you need to. So don't feel like you ever need to be trapped by your work. But I will say that if you price your work low, it may be difficult for you to bump up your pricing over time. So consider pricing your work a little bit higher. Now, the other thing you want to think about is, are you trying to sell based off of volume? If you need to sell a lot of work or you want to move work very fast, you may price it lower. Now, if you're not as concerned about that and make fewer pieces, you may desire to declare a higher value to your work. So again, no right or wrong way to do this. I've been in the industry for a long time. I've seen the artists at my galleries and other artists at shows, things like that, do this any number of ways. It comes down to what works for you, but don't be afraid to just throw a number on your work, try it, and learn from the experience. So what are your tips? What have you tried? And what do you think? I'll see you next time.